As I've said before, almost as important as your content, the way a course looks can be a crucial factor in how to motivate your students. You want to make your course look inviting. Here are some tips. The standard Moodle format has the introductory setting at the top, and then each following week has its own section. This isn't too bad if you have a 4-week course. But if you have a 10 or 16-week class, the student has to scroll down the page to get to the right place. It can get sort of cumbersome. I'm going to show you some simple ways of avoiding this. In the administration block, click on Edit Settings. This editing page is where you can determine settings for your course. Most likely this will have been pre-configured for you, but you should be aware that it exists. I'd like us to focus on the course format section of the page. If you click on it, you'll see some fields. Format determines how the sections appear. In a weekly setting, the sections are organized into weeks, the first section being the first week of the class, or a topics format, where instead of it being the week of April 24th to May 1st or whatever, it's topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. You can also change the name of the section heading as we did before with the weekly format. Below that is the number of sections, which is either the number of weeks or number of topics your course is divided into. Hidden sections means that any sections you've hidden are either completely invisible to your students or are just shown in a collapsed format, letting the students know that part of the course is currently unavailable. Course layout means that you decide if all the sections are visible on one page or whether each section gets its own page. Let's see what the difference is. That's really the best way to understand it. This is what show all sections on one page looks like. The students have to navigate to the week they want to work on, either by scrolling or by choosing the week from the navigation block. They click on the little arrow and they'll see the assignments and the forums and resources. The week that they are currently working on is also highlighted. As you can see, all the sections are still visible. It looks very crowded. If we go back to Edit Settings and choose the other option, Show one section per page, this is what it looks like. All the weeks are contracted or compressed. All you see is what week or what topic it is. The student click on a week they want to work on, and all they see is the introductory section and the section they are currently working on. To move between sections, the user would click on the arrows to the right or to the left, moving from one section to another, or by clicking on the Jump to drop-down menu, they can also go to a different section of the class. Much neater, much cleaner, much easier to work with. This is just one way to make the course more appealing. We're going to be going over many other ways in upcoming videos.